In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add volume-weighted average price quick and easy guide. We're going to walk through step by step how to add the volume-weighted average price or VWAP to your chart on Tradingview. VWAP is a really popular indicator that shows you the average price of an asset, but weighted by trading volume. In simple terms, it helps you see where most of the trading activity has actually happened, which many traders use as a reference for support, resistance, and fair value during a session. First, make sure you're on your Tradingview chart with the market or asset you want to analyze already open. Once you're on the chart, look towards the top of the screen for the indicators button. This is usually in the main toolbar above your chart area. Go ahead and click on indicators. This will open a new window or panel where you can search for and add different tools to your chart. Inside that indicators panel, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click on that search box and type the word volume. As you type, Tradingview will start filtering the available indicators and show you anything related to volume. You don't need to type the whole phrase. Just starting with volume is enough to bring up the option we're looking for. Among the results that appear, look for volume weighted average price. It may show up under the built-in section. Once you see volume weighted average price, simply click on it. As soon as you do, VWAP will be added automatically to your chart. You should now see a line that follows the price action, updating as each new candle forms. From here, you can hover over the indicator's name on your chart to access its settings if you want to customize it. But in most cases, the default settings work great, especially if you're just getting started. Take a moment to zoom in and out of your chart to see how VWAP behaves relative to price. Many traders watch how price reacts around this line to make more informed decisions. If you're interested in unlocking more advanced chart layouts, extra indicators, and additional tools that can make trading smoother and more efficient, be sure to check out the affiliate link in the description for Tradingview Pro. It's an easy way to upgrade your charting experience while supporting the channel at the same time.